Okay, good morning, class. So today we're looking at simultaneous equations, the exercise. As I indicated that we will be doing the odd numbers. Okay. Let's look at number one. Number one, we have question says solve the following equations simultaneously, which means to say basically at the same time. So we have x plus 2 is equal to 6, and we have 2x plus y is equal to 6. So we know that one is x plus 2 is equal to 6. This is going to be equation 1. And we have 2x plus y is equal to 6, which is equation 2. So which of the two equations has one unknown? Equation 1. So we're going to solve equation 1, or you're going to determine the value for x. Okay. So from equation 1, what do we have? X is equal to 6 minus 2. And 6 minus 2 is? So there we have solved one unknown. Okay. So what do we do now? We'll substitute x is equal to 4 into the other equation, which is equation 2. Okay? So what do we have now? X is now replaced with 4. So it's 2 times 4 plus y is equal to? What is 2 times 4? 8. So 8 plus y is equal to 6, so y is equal to? 6 minus 8 is negative. And you can test if it works, okay? X is 4, so 4 plus 6, 4 plus 2 is 6. And 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. So that one is correct. Again, if we had to draw these graphs, the point where the two graphs intersect will be at 4 and minus 2. You guys understand? That's where the two graphs will meet basically. Okay. Or cross, or cut. Okay, number 3. Number 3, we said that we got 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. So then we'll label this equation 1. And we have 6x minus 9y equals 15 is equation. So which equation has one unknown? Equation? Okay, so you're going to make x the subject of the formula. Not so. So from equation 1, what we're going to do is we're going to take the 9 over the equal sign. So we have 3x is equal to 9. So what do I do now? Divide by 3 both sides. It cancels. So x is equal to? So what do we do with that now? We'll substitute. X is equal to 3 into equation. So wherever we see a x in equation 2, we'll replace it with a 3. What do we get now? 6 times 3 minus 9y is equal to 15. 6 times 3? 18. So it becomes negative 9y is equal to 15 minus 18. So you got negative 9y is equal to negative 3. How do I get y on its own? Divided by negative 9. So y is equal to? Okay. Again we get this. Here we see x, we put the 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. X is 3. So 3 times 6 is 18. 9 times a third is 3. So 18 minus 3 is 15. So that is correct. Number 5. We have 3p plus 4q is equal to 12. This is equation 1. And then we got 3p minus 9 is equal to 0 is equation. Which equation has one unknown? Equation 2. So from equation 2, what do we have? 3p is equal to 9 divided by 3 both sides. So p is going to give you. So what do we do now? We substitute. P is equal to 3 into, okay, into the other equation. Okay, because this is derived from equation 2. We're now going to equation 1. So whenever we see a p, we replace it with a 3. So it's 3 times 3 plus 4q is equal to, okay. So what do we do now? Solve for q. So 3 times 3 is 9. So 4q is equal to 12 minus 9. So 4q is equal to 3 divided by 4. So q is 3 over 4. Again we can test. P is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0, which is correct. 3 times p, which is 3, which is 9. 4 times 3 over 4 is 3. 9 plus 3 is 12, so it works. Look at the equations in number 7. So here we got x plus 2 over 3 minus 2x minus 1 over 2 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. And then we got 7y plus 8x equals 0 as equation. Which equation has one unknown? Equation 1. So we'll solve that one first. From equation 1. What can we say? How are we going to solve this? We're going to find an LCM first. Not so. What is your LCM here? 6. This is multiplied by? Multiplied by? It's over 1. So you multiply by? Okay. So what do we have? 2 into x plus 2 minus 3 into 2x minus 1. 0 times 6 is 0. So what do we do now? With the brackets. 2 times x is 2x plus 4 minus 6x plus equals x is on the one side, numbers on the other side, so 2x minus 6x is equal to negative 3 minus 4, or negative 4 minus 3. This gives me an answer of negative 4x is equal to negative 6 divided by negative 4 both sides. So x is 7. So what do I do with that? You'll sub it into equation. Substitute x is equal to 7 over 4 into equation 2. So what do we get now? If I say x, I put the 7 over 4. So it's 7y plus 8 times 7 over 4 equals, so it's 7y plus, there's natural over 1. 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 8 twice. 2 times 7 is 14 equals 0. Now what? So you say 7y is equal to negative 14. So y is equal to negative. Of course, we can test it again. And it's put out a calculator at this point. So x is 7 over 4. We put in a bracket the fraction. That's 7 over 4 plus 2, and that's all over 3, minus fraction 2 multiplied by 7 over 4, we can put it in brackets, minus 1 over 2. If the answer is 0, then that x value is correct. If it's not 0, of course we have made an error. So that's correct. And of course you must test it for this one here. You say 7 times y, which is negative 2, plus 8 times 7 over 4. Also gives me 0, which is good. Okay. Get number 9. Number 9, we have 3 plus 3x is equal to 9x. It's equation 1. And then we got x minus y equals 0 as equation. Which equation has one unknown? Equation 1. From equation 1, as you can see, there's only x's here. Here's x and a y. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that over the equal sign. So what do we have? 3 is equal to 9x minus 3x. What's 9x minus 3x? 6x. It's equal to 3. Get x on its own? Divided by 6 both sides. So x is equal to? Not 2. Half x. 1 over 2. Okay. What do we do now? We'll substitute x is equal to half into equation 2. Because this was derived from equation 1, I go with the other one. So I say half minus y is equal to 0. We get over the equal sign. So negative half, y is equal to negative half. How do I get y in its own? Divided by negative 1. So y is equal to, so you can see half minus half is 0. Sub x in here on the left hand side. So it's 3 plus 3 times half. 3 times half is 3 over 2, which is 9 over 2. Okay? Right. For the left hand side. Look at the right hand side. We'll put a half in here. 9 times half is 9 over 2. Okay? Which makes the equation balanced. Okay. So that brings us to the end of exercise on simultaneous equations. Okay. You guys can do the even numbers and then you can just compare and we'll cross check if you guys have gotten everything correct. Okay.